I'm going to have a tutorial to how did you make this slime. Grab this, clean it, toothpaste, I meant shampoo, add shampoo, and then add some toothpaste. Add toothpaste, wait, let me add. There, mixy, mixy. Masita na nanikolo na nakala. Mix it. Okay, when the mixing, add baby powder. Baby powder. Wait, baby powder. Masitala na nikilo ano pala. Bye, let it sit. I think I meant put some white glue. It is like turning into real slime. It's still sticky. So, mix. Wait, then some lotion. The lotion you have. Just kasi tira na siya tayo. Make it sit there so it can be slime. Just let it sit. Then, and this is the slime we're going to make. So beautiful texture. This is the slime we're going to make. I added color in this one, but that one we're going to put color with it soon. Watch for part 2. Bye.